Alright, first make a quick video on clutch replacement. Oh, buddy, you shouldn't be in here. Yeah. So, took us like 3 or 4 hours to get the suspension apart. It was pretty easy. That pushing right there is making a lot of noise. Yeah. I took that crossmember bar, or whatever the hell it's called, out. And, yeah. We're basically almost getting the clutch out. It's pretty tiny. Or really tiny, they said. It is compared to a 15-inch wheel, so yeah. Kind of a big job in my opinion, taking out the struts and axles and whatever the fuck. Because the deepest I've ever gotten in this thing was the fucking air filter, so yeah. But yeah, I think later tonight we're gonna keep working on it, so yeah.